Well, hey folks, welcome back to the Snowy Mountain, or should I say, the cold and snowy mountain. We have been locked into a deep freeze with below zero temperatures for about a week. It was 9 below zero this morning, 11 below yesterday morning, 10 below the morning before, and so on. There's no end in sight. The kitchen queen's been getting a workout, earning its keep, that's for sure. A while ago, I posted a video where I was making two different types of lasagnas, a red one and a white one. Then I did another video, I was making a zucchini parmesan. In that video, I said how I like to use sliced zucchini as a pasta replacement. By doing so, not only do I cut the carbs of that entree, but I really boost the nutritional value by using the zucchini as a replacement for the pasta. What I'm doing here today is I'm making a white pesto lasagna. I'm going to use half and half sliced zucchini and lasagna noodles. What I love about lasagna type recipes is I never follow any specific recipe. I just layer up a bunch of meat, noodles, vegetables, and cheese. Doesn't matter what it is. Layer it up, throw it in the oven. It always comes out awesome. I'm going to put this little dish together, cook it in the kitchen queen, and I'll show you what I got going on here. So what I'm using here today is some cottage cheese, some ricotta cheese. I'm going to mix the two. You can use all cottage cheese or all ricotta. I have a couple of zucchinis. I wish I had at least one more, but that'll do. This is the Classico basil pesto. I love this stuff. I've used other brands. If you make your own homemade stuff, of course, use that. This is just really good. I've had good results with it, so that's what I'm going to use. I have some mozzarella cheese, some spinach, and I'm using the oven-ready lasagna noodles. I like to use the oven-ready ones for this because the oven-ready pasta tends to absorb a lot of the moisture from the zucchini. I have made this with all zucchini in the past, but it comes out really soupy. I've made it with all noodles in the past, which is awesome, but I'm going to boost the nutrition by cutting this half and half. I'm going to go ahead and pre-cook the spinach. That's probably more spinach than I need, but what I don't use, I'll use in an omelet in the morning. While the spinach is in the steamer, I'll get the zucchini prepared. I'm going to slice these up, about 1/4 of an inch or so. Then I'm just going to throw them in a fry pan with a little butter just to lightly brown them up. Now you can put the raw zucchini into your entree. It'll be just fine. I just like to give it a quick browning with a little butter. Just adds a little bit to the flavor there. Yeah, that's nice and cooked. See that? Kitchen queen boils water, no problem at all. Take that off the heat. Check on these. Yeah, just slightly browned. That'll be just fine. I'm just going to let some of the moisture drain out of the spinach while I brown up that zucchini. So here I'm just going to layer in all of these ingredients like you do with a traditional lasagna. So here, throw in a little spinach, just distribute that around. There. Cottage cheese here and there, all over. The ricotta cheese froze a little bit in my icebox. I had the vent flap open, and kind of forgot about it and got down there to 12, 13 below at night. Got a little too cold in the icebox. And stir the pesto. Just sprinkle that all over the place. Oh, this is good stuff. It is. Layer in some zucchini. I wish I had a couple more zucchini, but this is all I had. And a bunch of mozzarella in there. few more lasagna noodles. And then repeat the process until the dish is full. Oh, I suppose you could mix all of these ingredients together in a bowl, but I've been doing it this way for a long time. Why argue with success, right? Wouldn't be the same without the pesto. For this size pan, I used approximately 18 to 20 ounces of cottage cheese and about 16 ounces of ricotta. These little jars, I don't know if they're 8 ounces or not, I can't read the writing, but these little jars are just about perfect. Oh, and I used about 2 little bowls of the mozzarella. Like I said, I don't follow any specific recipe for this. Every time I make it, it's different. I've made these before where I put in a bunch of shredded white chicken meat in it. And that was really good. Sometimes I use Alfredo sauce or garlic Alfredo. That's pretty good. This one here, just very basic. It's just a combination of cheeses, the lasagna noodles, the zucchini. It's going to be good. I always make sure I keep enough of the pesto and the spinach for the top layer like this, because it looks really nice when it comes out of the oven. Like that. Put a light coating of the mozzarella on the top. That gets golden brown, looks beautiful when it comes out of the oven. The oven's just over 350. Beautiful. Should be about half an hour, 40 minutes or so. Should be just right. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, that smells good. I'm going to let it set for a little while, probably 15-20 minutes, have a glass of wine, just let it set up. I'm going to cut into it. Yeah, look at that. Ah, oh, that looks yummy. All right, well, I had my glass of wine. So let's cut into this and see how she looks. Well, there we go, folks. One zucchini, spinach, pesto lasagna. Here we go.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did and you'd like to see more of the cabin life, please click the subscribe button so that you can follow along with future updates. All the best to you, and God bless.